everyone, welcome to episode 7 of Maintenance Motorway. Today we are going to talk about areas where you can repair punctures on the tire. So today we are going to demonstrate or let you guys know how best you can repair your tires and areas you should consider whenever you have a tire puncture or you have a bulge in your tire somewhere. Okay, so in this tire that we have here, we have what we call the crown or the tire repair area. And the tire repair area is just the middle part of the tire. Some tire repair area is also defined as the first two major grooves of the tire on both shoulders of the tire. Okay, so from this groove to that groove is your tire repair area. Now, let's say you just encounter a puncture and it happens to be out of the tire repair area. Someone will ask, is it the best place to repair my tire? So considering the tire repair area, within this range, that is the first two major grooves of the tire, that is where you have to repair the tire. Now, another thing you also have to consider is the size of the tire puncture or hole. So approximately you should have a 6mm hole, which is the allowable puncture for the tire that you can repair, or that is the allowable or permissible diameter of the puncture that you need to repair. Now, what if you have a bulge or a bubble on the side wall of the tire? Definitely the side wall of the tire is this place. So when you have a bulge or a bubble on the side wall of the tire, that is also definitely outside the tire repair area, which you can repair, but what you have to do is just replace your tire. So an example of the bulge or bubble we are talking of is this area. So you can see something like a hump in the side wall, and definitely this is out of the tire repair area or the tire repair zone specified by the manufacturer. So having this kind of nature or this kind of situation on your tire, it definitely tells you that you don't need to repair them, but you have to replace your entire tire. So thank you very much for watching our video, and as always, don't drink and drive, don't text and drive, but always practice defensive driving.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please hit the like button and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on all our social media pages: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and TikTok at AutoShark Ghana for other educational content.